Hello for today's video, and in my past or previous of series of pots, I encourage you to fill with the bits of stones or rocks inside the pot in order for the pot to stay in place. Okay, so add these stones just in the side of the pot here. For this sunflower, I use 15 centimeter of wire and 1.4 millimeter diameter of thickness. You will also need a glue, a scissor, darning needle. I use 4.0 millimeter crochet hook and this 3 color of 100% acrylic yarn. Now let's start by doing this. Form a magic ring. Chain. Then add 8 single crochet inside the ring. Then after, pull this tail. Now for round 2, insert your hook in this first chain here and make a increase or 2 single crochet. So this is 1. Add 1 more, 2, in the next 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Then round 3, remove the stitch marker, single crochet in the first, and then increase in the next chain. Then repeat for 24 single crochet stitches around. And this is what it looked like after the 24. Then cut the yarn. Pull up the hook. Then take your darning needle. Then insert in the second chain here, and then remove the stitch marker. Then insert your darning needle in the back loop chain on this last stitch, in the back loop, in the last stitch here. So normally you will still have 24 stitches around, and then this tail hide in this, inside the stitches. Then make the same like this with this green yarn. Same steps. Okay, for the round 1, make a do not pull tight at the middle hole here because we will insert the wire in that center hole. Okay, so just for the round 2, yarn over including the tail for this green yarn only. Okay, so single crochet, and just do the same like the brown yarn. Okay, so there is a hole here, And make sure the brown yarn is close like this, not only on this green yarn. Okay, once you have the two same pattern, then we will put this together. Then insert your hook in any stitches and add on the other side of this green yarn. And then take your yellow yarn for the petal and make a chain. Then hold the tail. Then now chain of 3. And then yarning over twice your hook like a treble. Then insert in the next stitch. And this green also on the other side. Pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarning over twice, insert the hook in the stitch, the same stitch, pull through, yarn, pull through 2, and pull through 2 loops. Now you have 3. Yarning twice, insert the hook in the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Twice, insert in the stitch, grab a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2. And then once you have 5 loops on your hook, pull through 5 loops. Then chain of 3. Then slip stitch in this back chain in the first chain here. Make a slip stitch. And then chain of 3. Then slip stitch in the next chain, next stitch in here. Chain of 1, 2, 3. Then repeat, yarning over twice, insert in the next stitch, the other side, including the tail, pull up a loop, pull through 2, and pull through another 2. Two, you have 3, another, Then once you have 5 loops, pull through 5, chain of 3, slip stitch, chain of 3, then slip stitch in the next stitch, next chain. Slip stitch, then repeat chain of 3, then before you close, add a little bit of fiberfill inside. Then once you're done, this last slip stitch in here, make a chain and cut the yarn. And then now we will make the leaf. Make a slip knot, then chain of 9. Then slip stitch in the back of the chain, second chain from the hook. Chain of 1, then single crochet in the other side here. Single crochet, then half double crochet in the next, double crochet in the next, triple crochet in the next, another triple, double crochet, half double, then single crochet, then chain of 2, and then just repeat in the other side. Then at the end, slip stitch in here, make a chain, and cut the yarn.
Just trying to give you something.